Hello everyone, this is Ultra Pro Max. In this video, we'll show the 5 best 4K vlogging cameras on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Introducing the professional-grade Panasonic LUMIX 4K digital camera, the MG67KK, which accepts over 24 compact lens options built on the next generation interchangeable lenses. Its mirrorless design enables a lighter, more compact camera body, while also offering cutting-edge video, audio, creative controls, wireless, intelligent focusing, and exposure technologies, not possible with traditional DSLRs. With the exclusive LUMIX 4K photo, simply pause the perfect moment from video to produce printable high-resolution photos. A high-resolution 17.5 mm 0.7 times OLED viewfinder matches up to exactly how you intended to see the image even under direct sunlight. Pros: professional-grade camera, 4K video capabilities, interchangeable lens options, mirrorless design, high-resolution OLED eye viewfinder, compatible with various accessories. Cons: no in-body image stabilization, smaller sensors. The Sony ZV-1 digital camera is a must-have for vloggers and content creators. Its 20.1 megapixel stacked back illuminated 1-inch small RS CMOS sensor with DRAM and large aperture 24 to 70 mm f1.8 to 2.8 Zeiss video sonar T-lens produce stunning image and video quality. Fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus with real-time autofocus tracking ensures that your shots are always in focus. The camera's side flip-out 3-inch LCD screen make it easier to compose selfie shots. This camera also has two modes of defocus background bokeh and a product showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object. Pros: 20.1 megapixel sensor and large aperture lens, fast hybrid autofocus plus real-time eye autofocus, ensures in-focus slots, flip-out 3-inch LCD screen, great sound quality. Cons: pricey. The Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera is one of the favorite cameras ever. It delivers an impressive 4K quality at a reliably low price range. The camera has one of the most reliable autofocus. This makes it very attractive for vloggers, as you can make use of the bokeh effect easily achieved by an APS-C sensor like this. It has an external mic port and the hot shoe for a shotgun mic. There is a lot of value for your money on this camera, since it can record 4K 30 FPS comparable to models that cost twice as much. Pros: impressive 4K quality, reliable autofocus, easy bokeh effect, external mic port, hot shoe for shotgun mic, great value for money. Cons: no in-body stabilization. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II digital camera is a versatile camera for your all-round vlogging needs. Its large 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor gives it a wide ISO range, which can be useful in shooting in poorly lit spaces. And perhaps having vloggers in mind, the M50 is equipped with an external microphone port, unlike the other M-series cameras. This is the advantage of a mirrorless over a point-and-shoot like the Sony GV-1. Low-light recording is much better, and you'll get a more intense blur background effect naturally. Pros: large 24 megapixel sensor, ideal for shooting in poorly lit spaces, external microphone port, battery low light recording, natural intense blur effect. Cons: cropped 4K recording and relatively short battery life. The Panasonic LUMIX GH5 4K digital camera is a must-have for any professional photographer and videographer. With a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor and no low-pass filter, it captures sharp images with high dynamic range and artifact-free performance. It is also freeze-proof to 10 degrees and dust-proof with weather sealing on every joint, dial, and button, making it the ideal choice for outdoor shooting. The camera features dual image stabilization that corrects all lenses, including classic lens not equipped with OIS to eliminate blur and nearly eliminate body and lens shake in both photo and 4K video recording. Pros: 20.3 megapixel sensor, dust-proof for outdoor shooting, dual image stabilization, silky smooth 4K video recording, versatile connectivity and ports. Cons: really heavy for a mirrorless camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.